Friends, today I'm going to unbox this Acer Aspire E1 570 model, which cost around 30,000 rupees in market, 32,000 rupees in market. Okay, depends upon from which dealer you're buying. Okay, so let's unbox this. I'm going to unbox this. This comes with the Linux operating system. Okay. Right. This is one more box that is inside. Yes. Wow. So friends, this comes with the Intel Core i3 processor. I don't think you can get a clear picture because this is very micro words. Okay, it comes with 2 GB DDR3 RAM. It has 5 GB 500 GB hard drive. Okay, and built-in Wi-Fi, LAN, HDMI cable. It has a crystal clear HD web camera also. Okay, let's open this now. Oh my god, I have opened it a little wrong. Anyways, these are the manuals. Okay, warranty cards. This is how to open guide. Okay, this is installation now. This is driver CD. Okay, so it is applied for the different model of Acer Aspire 570E, 570G, 570, 530, 530G, etc., etc. You can install all the drivers from this because this comes with the Linux operating system. It doesn't have the original operating system. You need to install the operating system. So here's the battery. Okay, this is the battery, pretty small battery. Okay, this is of 4-cell battery, so that you can get around 1 and 2 hours approximately. Company says you will get around 3 to 4 hours. Let's open this. Now to fix the battery then. This is the laptop and these are the adapter. This is the power cord. This is the power cord. I think this is a little smaller than the HP. HP people give you more larger cable length in any of their laptop. This is let's fix the battery first. Now the battery, battery will go here this way. Okay, it has a lock here. This is fixed. You can open the battery by pressing this again on the right hand side. You can come, battery comes out. This is the battery is fixed. Let's start this first time. Again, I'm going to repeat the model number. It's Acer Aspire E1 570 model. This comes with the Core i processor. Wow. This comes with the Core i3 processor, which is of 1.8 gigahertz processor. 1.8 gigahertz processor, 3 MB of L3 cache memory, Intel graphic chip. It has a 15.6 LCD LED screen, 2 GB of DDR3 RAM, 500 GB of hard drive, DVD writer which is multi-layer. You can read multi-layer DVDs. It has 802.11 BGN Wi-Fi adapter and 4-cell battery. Okay, so this is the specification. Let's start the laptop. This is the web camera. Okay, and there is a small hole which is a microphone. Acer name. This is the power button. This is chiclet keyboard, basically chiclet keyboard with nice finishing. You can't find any screw on the top side as well as on the back side, because it has a nice finishing. Okay, let's see this side. It has a VGA out port. You can lock your laptop by a locking device or locking cable. Okay, this is LAN port. This is HDMI. This is USB port. This is sound output port. You can fix your headphone to listen to music. This is memory card. Okay, you can read SD card here. These are the LEDs. When you start your laptop, it shows hard drive, power, charging or not, and then your caps lock and num lock indicators. Okay, this is keyboard. Now here is again two USB 2, USB 3. Okay, as well as this is your DVD writer. Okay, multi-layer DVD writer. Here you can connect to your power adapter to charge your battery as well as start your laptop. Let's turn on this. As I already told you, there is no operating system inside this. Once you start this laptop, press F2. I have started this, and press F2. F2 to enter your CMOS setting, complementary metal oxide semiconductor, which is we generally called as BIOS or CMOS setting. Press F2. Yeah, you have entered into the CMOS setting. Now again you can see the configuration. This is Core i3 model, 1.80 gigahertz, and blah blah blah, all the settings are there. Serial number Acer Aspire E1570. What I am going to do is I am going to change the boot device. The first boot device is hard drive, and the second is Apache CD-ROM. That means the second boot drive device is a CD-ROM. We have to change it to first boot device to the CD-ROM, so that we can install a new operating system, Windows 7 or 8, whatever maybe you required. I am going to install Windows 7 as I am very much comfortable with that. I need to run a few basic old games, so that supports Windows 7 only. That doesn't support the Windows 8. Let's change this setting by pressing F6. You can change the setting. Okay, I pressed F6. Now the setting is changed. First boot drive is your CD-ROM drive. Let's save this setting. Go to this, save and exit. Okay, after saving and exit, I will install the operating system. You can see my other video to how to install the operating system. I will be back after installing all the software and operating system. So friends, I am done with installing operating system and some software like MS Office, Corel Draw, Photoshop, and etc. Let's start this operating system. The Acer Aspire E570 is starting with Windows 7 Ultimate Edition. The LED is very clear. It's crystal clear. I'm going to show you how to connect this laptop to HDMI cable through my 42-inch LED television also. So this is 1st April. I've installed this just 5 minutes ago, everything. Now this is Wi-Fi, battery, volume indicator. Let's connect this laptop to HDMI cable and see the output. I'm going to connect this HDMI cable to my television. This is the HDMI cable. I'm going to connect this to my HDMI port. See, this is the output you will be getting on the LCD screen. This is 42-inch output. You are getting very clear, full HD display. I don't think you are able to see this because my camera is not that much clear, as my original Handycam got damaged. I'm going to repair it in few days. Thank you very much friends for watching this, and do subscribe me, do like, do thumbs up this video. Thank you very much.